how do you go back on the iPad? And let me explain all of the different things you can do. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, when you are, for example, inside of some apps, like the settings is a great example, you can go deeper like into the different sections, but to come back, either tap the left arrow button in the top left corner and it will go one page back like this, or you can also just swipe from the left edge of the screen. So the same gestures that you can utilize on the iPhone are also present on the iPad. So it just works very nicely. It's consistent across the board. So you can just swipe back like this, right? So that is like a general way to move around the iPad. And it all, of course, applies to some different applications as well, because most of the apps are designed with the same gestures in place. So that is something you can explore and it will most likely work everywhere. However, there are more things which you might have in mind. For example, a lot of people want to go back, for example, when they type something. And there are plenty of different cases where you can undo the thing that you did or typed on the iPad. For that, make sure that part of your settings in the accessibility section and part of the touch menu, there is a toggle which is titled Shake to Undo. Ensure that it is turned on, that it's green, and it will mean that, for example, when you're writing some notes in the Notes app, and if you make a mistake, you can literally shake your iPad body and you're going to get the pop-up to undo the thing that you did. So it will be undo the typing. If you then shake it again, it will ask you if you want to undo it further or redo it. So, to go like back or forward. So that is like a different angle of looking at it, but I also had to mention it. So let me know in the comments below if you liked the video, if you found it useful. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you stay tuned for more tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.